Hello and welcome to the Curiosity Lab. Today we are going to do an amazing experiment in which we will make the liquids float on each other. Yes, you heard it correct. We are going to make liquids float on each other. But before doing the experiment, we are going to understand why do objects float. The reason behind that, objects float because they are less dense than the fluid, liquid or gas they are in. Density is a measure of how much mass is packed into a certain volume. When an object is less dense than the fluid, it displaces the weight of the fluid that is equal to its own weight. The fluid exerts an upward buoyant force on the object, counteracting the downward force of gravity. This buoyant force allows the object to float. Okay, lots of deep knowledge. In simpler words, objects float or sink on any liquids because of their density. The object which are more dense than the liquid will sink. The object which are less dense than the liquid will float. Now, as you have that much idea about the topic, let's come back to an experiment. Here I am having this, a pasteur pipette and some liquids. So, without wasting any time, let's start with the experiment of making a density tower. As you can see, I am using these for liquids and I am sure that you also must be having these four at your home. So, after watching this video, just grab a transparent container like this and the liquids which I am going to use in this video to make your own density tower. So, let's start. Okay friends, so be careful while pouring the liquids into your density tower because any mistake can lead to the disturbance in your tower. So, here it is.